Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your daily reward on the Sunrise Village application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 seconds, so just wait patiently. So now click to the level bar at the screen, go to the planner icon of gift, and here you can find your daily little something, play daily and get rewards. Now I have the daily one, and if you want to claim your reward, click the free button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.